Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your domain. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. So first of all, you want to make sure to go to the hosting gear and log into it. After that, go to the domains right here and go to the transfers. And here what you will need to do is meet your domain transfer requirements. So it is over 60 days have passed since the initial domain registration or last transfer. Make sure the domain is unlocked. Your domain must be unlocked from your current registrar before transferring. Here you can see on how to do that, and you will need to have an authorization code. You must have valid domain authorization code you can obtain from the current registrar. And here what you'll need to do is enter your domain and click transfer, and you will see the prices for every niche. So as you can see, .com, .net, .io, .org or .online. And how you will be able to transfer it, you will need to follow the instructions after you click the transfer button. So that's how you transfer a domain in hosting gear. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.